Okay, there are many similar split keyboards on the market already. Why should the Dygma Raise 2 be considered one of a kind? First things first, it's a little bit more customizable than the competitors. Is there a long gaming session on the list? Split it, adjust the tilt level up to 60 degrees, and customize the layout by switching the keys and modifying it in the open space software. The magnetic pads will help to avoid tension in the wrists. Need to work? Turn 2 keyboards into one and once again adjust the tilt, no problem. That RGB lighting adds several points to the look. Are there any drawbacks? Yes, it's heckin' pricey. It's not merely a decorative pixel screen, it functions as a smart assistant, consolidating essential info and reducing the time spent searching on your phone. So plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi via the app, and customize it with apps for weather, currency tracking, news, and more. There's no invasive tech here. It definitely doesn't offer hi-fi stereo, but excels at beeps, boops, and 8-bit tunes that'll grab your attention when it's important. Tidbyt syncs with Google Home, so you can ask the voice assistant to show the name of the song being played on Spotify, or set a reminder on the screen. Lastly, on the Tidbyt website, users can access a collection of over 500 apps to create a personalized display that suits their individual requirement. Hey space enthusiasts, how about having your own planet spinning on your desktop? No magic required, just magnets that make 3D printed Saturn float in the air. However, you'll need to spend some time setting it up. Once it's done, the lamp can be controlled by a touch button on the base. Emitting a soothing 2700K light, it's gentle on the eyes and energy efficient. The built-in USB-C port is handy for charging your phone, and the Bluetooth speaker is said to deliver powerful bass and clear sound with the added feature of the light linking to the beat of the music. And don't worry, if a power outage occurs, the lamp will remain attached to the stand and won't fall. Do you know your car's potential? The RaceBox meter box measures key performance stats such as 0 to 60 mph acceleration and quarter-mile times with precision. The lap timer feature provides glanceable info whether you're racing on the track or just driving to work. The drag meter helps you track your braking and speed performance, not just in your car, but in any vehicle you use. Switch between distance and speed modes depending on your needs. You still iron clothes? Oh lord, I hope that's for serious negotiations only. Okay, to ease that task, I found this portable mini iron. Its dual voltage feature adapts to international outlets, ensuring you'll look perfect when it's needed the most. It's compact, lightweight, and foldable, so it won't take up much space in your travel bag or suitcase. The broad ceramic sole plate is said to iron all kinds of fabrics from delicate silk to sturdy cotton. With a rapid heat-up time of 2 minutes and a constant temperature of 302 degrees Fahrenheit, dry ironing is a breeze. For stubborn wrinkles, a quick spritz with the included water spray bottle does the trick. Wish you luck at the meeting.